Hello everybody and welcome to the Simple Cooking with Heart kitchen in my home. I'm Chef Stephanie Rose, the executive chef. Thank you for coming. And I have got this great recipe. It's my new favorite, miso marinated scallops. I've already started cooking them over here. They're only gonna marinate for like half an hour in this fabulous, easy miso marinade. Now the marinade has, I'm gonna put them down here. I think these are nicely cooked. Don't overcook your scallops. They will turn into rubber. Now I didn't put them on this plate because that had the raw scallops on. Now, I mean, I know where my scallops came from, so I'm not too worried. But at any rate, this wonderful miso marinade has ginger. So I grated about a teaspoon of ginger, a little bit of garlic. We all know marinades, almost all of them have a little bit of garlic, right? So that went in there as well. And then I had some mirin and a little sherry and a little bit of rice wine vinegar. So this would make a really nice little salad dressing too. So if you wanted to have the scallops on top of a salad instead of the soba noodles, which is what I have for you here. And the soba noodles I have mixed with some grilled scallions. Half a cup is grilled scallions. The recipe did not say grilled, but I just think the grilled imparts a really nice flavor for the green onions or scallions or whatever you want to call them. Now might be kind of a nice little appetizer portion that you might want to serve at a nice ladies luncheon, or if you're having a nice dinner. Okay, let's turn off our heat so we don't have a fire. So if you just wanted one, see how pretty that looks? And I'm just gonna put one of these gorgeous scallops on top. Now that would be a really nice little snack, little hors d'oeuvre, little appetizer. And it said to sprinkle on top of it some sesame seeds, but I didn't have any really good ones. But this is just a little bit of a seaweed Japanese seasoning. So there you have it. We have our miso marinated scallops. I want you all to enjoy this at home. It's so easy and you're gonna love it. It's gonna be definitely one of your go-to marinades. So thank you for joining me here in the Heart Kitchen. And I can't wait to be with you again. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.